ho!
Next! Next!
What's wrong, little boy?
Come on, it's okay.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're
Come on,
fine.
little boy. First time. Come on. Come on.
It's fine. It's fine.
Come on. Come on.
No!
Come on. Sit on my lap now. Alright. Now tell me, what do you want for Christmas?
Ah!
What's wrong?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Cause you ain't real.
You know what? Who ain't real?
You.
Elf, get this little kid out of here.
Come on.
He's getting nothing but doo for Christmas. God,
I ain't standing you up.
Go.
can't stand little kids like that.
I know it. Next.
Get the next one. Gosh.
Next. Next. Hi, little boy.
Hey!
Hey, little man. Come on.
Why was he crying?
Because it's all
You ain't fake.
fake. I know. Hey, little man.
You comfy. You comfy.
How you Christmas holiday?
You feel like a pillow.
Thank you.
You really do. I really.
And one of those nasty pillows?
No, I just like pillows.
So, tell me, what do you want for Christmas?
I want that F.
You can't have it.
Why? I don't want a present. You, like, I think I believed that little cute last time. He said you fake. I like her. She look real.
Why am I fake?
Cause you just look fake. You are fake. You my cousin.
I don't like you. Get him out of here.
Go.
Hey, F.
You get nothing.
I still like that F. She come with me.
Get up. Kick his boy.
Come on, F.
Sometimes, I swear.
Say next again. We'll go again.
Next.
We're grown up now.
Next.
Hey, bro.
I heard you messing with my child.
Your child.
You throw him on the ground.
What you gonna do about it?
Beat your sack off butt.
Why was my child going for the elf? Huh?
I know, it's horrible.
Say ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Nowadays.
Snitches.